Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Whop account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change your username in Whop? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps in, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change your username in Whop anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're setting up a Whop account, you know that they're going to create a username based off of your email, and maybe you have a really cheesy email that doesn't really align with your business. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Whop account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Whop account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change your username here on the left side, you're going to click on your initials. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up, and then you want to click on your username right here. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see more information about your Whop profile. However, to change your username, click on the gear icon here on the top right. Okay, once you do that, you'll see this menu option here along the top, but you want to click on general. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and change your username. So right down here, the third line down, you're going to see your username, and all you're going to do is just click on edit. Okay, so here is where you can change your username. So they do let you know if you change your username and you have referral links, those are no longer going to be active. So if you've posted your referral links and making money off of that, you want to make sure to go back in and change those after you change your username. So you can just click in here and just change your username as you see fit, and then you're going to click on confirm. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change your username on Whop, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.